So over the last several years, we've seen developers all over the globe building and deploying some amazing solutions. And we know that I like tacos. We know that I eat them when my wife lets me. And because she's not here, I've had them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the last 3 days. And that's okay. But I want you to really take a moment. I feel like I'm channeling Panos right now, because I'm talking like when he talks about the service. Just take a moment, think about this. I have the pleasure of realizing one of my biggest dreams. Pause for effect, realizing and welcoming Chipotle at a keynote. And learning about how Azure and .NET is helping them achieve business success. Let's give a huge round of applause for the lead developer at the Chipotle online service, Mike Smith.
Good morning, Scott.
This is like the biggest thing since I met Janet Jackson, and I've never met Janet Jackson, so you are the biggest. I'm a little nervous to meet our friends at Chipotle, so hi.
Hey.
Sorry. Do you see my shirt?
I love it.
So Chipotle.com has an ordering service where you can go and order and deliver tacos and burritos to people. I understand that this is built in .NET?
Yes, we have for our ecosystem Vue.js running on our front end.
Okay.
And then the back end of our ordering platform is going to be all done in .NET Core, ASP.NET, web APIs. And that services not only our website, but also all of our other clients, so native iOS and Android, and our Alexa app.
Oh, wow, okay. So then you've got an API in back end that is in web API. You use it, and vendors use it, and whoever wants to use it, which is cool. And then on the back end, C# stuff, I know that you're a fan of C#. What are some of the features that you like about C#? There was Link.
Async await. It is fantastic that the Microsoft people had some brilliance to go and reduce a bunch of boilerplate code for us. So now we've got one lines for async await instead of having to manage all of the nested callbacks and stuff.
Exactly, and that's the idea, that a bunch of boring code that has nothing to do with tacos just becomes async and await, which is awesome.
Exactly.
And speaking of boring code and things that you don't like I know that originally there was a lot of SQL going on and a lot of talking to traditional databases, but you're doing something different now.
We are using Cosmos DB at this point. It is the next best thing to our carne asada tacos.
Yes, the carne asada tacos are very nice and certainly better than SQL.
Yes, loving it. Yeah.
So then you just throw documents at Cosmos DB and it's just handled for you and you don't think about it. You use the native SDK?
Yeah, the C# native SDK. We've reduced almost all of our queries. It's just very simple with the partitioning that we've set up. And the performance is just fantastic.
So you need this to scale. I assume that there's times when people want tacos and there's times when people don't want tacos. So the scale goes up and down. And you have to think about that.
People want tacos all the time.
That's true. So you have infinite scale all the time.
Right.
All right. But you're running a lot of app services and there's a lot of configuration to manage. And I have like a small website. I manage my configuration with like environment variables. It can get a little tedious. How do you manage configuration?
We've started to look into the app configuration for Azure, and we put a POC together in just a handful of minutes. And the tools work nicely, from spinning it up inside the IDE to automatically creating the app configuration in Azure. And we were able to have a conversation with all of the leads and make a decision on where we want to go.
So this is fun. So they're actually prototyping stuff. So there's things in Azure that they like. There's things in Azure that you're playing with, and you're doing proofs of concept.
Yep.
And you're able to spin those things up and enjoy them and decide whether or not you use them or not really quickly.
Yeah.
So not only is Mike here, but he has brought a version of the Chipotle website that isn't even out yet, and we're going to see their staging site. You going to show it to me?
Let's see it.
All right.
Got a fresh new look coming out this year.
You have to understand that this isn't for you. This is for me. And you are also here.
Spell Scott today.
So this is not what the site looks like now, but it will be what the site looks like soon.
Correct. I'm sure you've probably tried everything on the menu.
I have.
Well, let's order you something for today.
All right.
What are you feeling?
Tacos.
I mean, and then 3 tacos because...
Who orders 1 taco? I don't even know why that button exists.
This is not a meal for ants here.
No. We'll do flour, carne asada. Are you paying?
Well, I am signed in on my account here, so...
Double meat.
All right, all right.
No rice, no beans. Need more room for the meat.
That's right.
Pico de gallo, tomatillo verde, cheese, Chips, because you're paying.
Of course.
2 chips.
For me?
For me for later.
Okay. Snack.
All right, cool. And let's add that to the bag. And then we're going to make this a preset so that you will be able to order me things from anywhere.
You know, just give me a call and we'll make it happen.
I'm just going to text you, and that's going to be great. Oh, let's hit it here. Let's try it. It's got 1, maybe. Maybe there's too many tacos that have been given to me in the past here. It is a staging server, so. Forgot the guac, see?
Yeah.
That was the error message. It was actually, if we check console.log, it would be like, no guac, throw exception. Nicely done, sir.
Yes.
All right. Okay, we'll go ahead and check out. It'll be here in an hour. That's cool. I'm actually going to be at Channel 9 in an hour. Can we have that delivered to Channel 9? Channel 9 stage, cool. And then you can do delivery or pickup.
Yeah, let's double check this delivery and make sure we've got this coming to Ignite.
Okay.
We don't want you to have to go drive and pick it up yourself.
Yeah, I can't go back to Portland.
No.
I would, but I can't. Okay, cool. And then let's tip them. I'm a generous tipper. Nice.
All
and
right.
then there's your credit card.
We'll throw this on the corporate account here.
It's all
Go ahead and
expenses.
submit this.
All right, cool. So this is going to be sent off. Now, right now, this is being sent into Cosmos, but I assume that there's telemetry and other things that you're looking at. What other Azure things are you using?
Yeah, we're using Event Hub to help scale our telemetry and providing the performance that we need.
Fantastic. And it looks like I've got lunch. Literally, we nailed it, actually, the exact number of minutes. So that's going to be showing up at noon.
Perfect.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Scott.
All right. So now I've got lunch handled, so there's that.